Hello everyone, my name is Sharayu and I am from Pace Career Academy. Today I am explaining you the diverse stages of analytics. So there are 4 stages of this analytics. So first is the descriptive analytics, second one is the diagnostic analytics, third and the important one is the predictive analytics, and the fourth one is the prescriptive analytics. So let's see each of these analytics in details. So first is the descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics is a statistical method that is used to search and summarizes historical data in order to identify pattern or meaning from it. For example, if I have a company sales data from last 10 years, so from that historical data, it displays the current scenario, that is, what is the current company sales status. So this is the descriptive analytics. Next is diagnostic analytics. So diagnostic analytics is a form of advanced analytics that examines data or content to answer the questions that why did it happen. It characterized by techniques such as drill down, data discovery, data mining and correlations. So if we continue with our previous company sales data, then we can examine that in the month of June-July there is sudden increase in a sales, or in a month of August-September there is sudden decrease in a sales of a company. So our concern is to find the reasons behind this situation. So we get the answers for a question like why there is increase or decrease in a company's sales. Next important analytics is the predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the branch of analytics which is used to make predictions about unknown future events. It uses many techniques from the data mining, statistics, modeling, machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze current data to make predictions about future. So if we could observe our example of a company sales data from last 10 years, then we want to know what will happen to a company sales after 6 months or after 1 year. So this is the predictive analytics. Next and the important terminology is the prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics focuses on finding the best course of action in a scenario, given available data. It's related to both descriptive analytics and predictive analytics, but emphasizes the actionable insights instead of data monitoring. Descriptive analytics offers business intelligence insights into what has happened, and predictive analytics focuses on forecasting possible outcomes. Prescriptive analytics aims to find the best solution given a variety of choices. Additionally, the field also empowers companies to make decisions based on optimizing the results of future events or risk and provides the model to study them. So let's continue with the same example of company sales data. If I want to increase the company sales from 1 crore to 1.5 crore, then the prescriptive analytics gathers data from variety of both descriptive and predictive sources for its models and applies them to the process of decision making. This includes combining the existing conditions and considering the consequences of each decision to determine how the future would be impacted. Moreover, it can measure the repercussion of decision based on different possible future scenarios. So this is all about the diverse stages of analytics. So do you want to learn more about this analytics? Join our online data science course and make a difference to your data science career. Any graduate and postgraduate can join this course. Learn from leaders. Join our PACE family. We have been in the market for 12 plus years. We have 15 plus branches across India. We have trained 5,000 plus candidates and we have 250 plus company network support. Call us for more details.